Hello guys, in this video we are going to write 2 lines of Python code in order to send WhatsApp messages. This code contains 2 lines, and first we need to install PyWhatKit. In order to install PyWhatKit in PyCharm, and type pip install PyWhatKit. This is going to install PyWhatKit for you, and after that we have to make use of a method called sendWhatMessage. So this method will take a total of 4 parameters, and the first parameter is the mobile number to which you want to send a message, and the second parameter is the actual message to be transmitted, and the third one is time in hours, fourth one is time in minutes. You can see the current time is 11:42. Now I want to transmit this message by 11:44. Okay. So let's execute quickly and see the result. In 82 seconds, web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds, message will be delivered. Clear? So you can see this is my web browser, and it is going to automatically open web.whatsapp.com. And you can see the message is already there. Okay, and it is going to send the message as well. You can see the message is also delivered successfully.